What if I told you guys there's a way you can go from having a transparent background to having an artificial background? And here's the fun part. What if I told you there's a way you can do this without a green screen? Please ignore my room. Anyway, we're going to put that back on, and I will show you guys how to do it right now. What is up, everybody out there on YouTube? This is Michael here, back with another video, and I'm going to tell you guys how you can get that awesome background or no background. And the best part is you are not required a green screen. This is actually a very simple and easy process, and it will only take a couple of minutes for you to do. So I'm going to show you right now. So if we go to my desktop, you can see here it's called the NVIDIA Broadcast. The NVIDIA Broadcast app transforms any room into a home studio, taking your live streams, voice chats, and video conference calls to the next level of AI-enhanced voice and video. This is a very simple and easy process. And before we hit the download now button, you want to see the system requirements. So pretty much you're required to at least have Windows 10 or 11, whatever you use. You will need the GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 260, Quadro RTX 3000, or Titan RTX or higher. And luckily I have the GeForce RTX 350 Ti graphics, 8 gigs of RAM or higher, I guess 16. And CPU recommended Intel Core i5, I have the Intel Core i7, or you have the AMD Ryzen R5 2600 or higher, which I don't have. I do have the Intel though. And you will need these drivers to make it work, or any of these, and obviously the internet connection to install it. So we're going to go back. Well, actually no, we don't need to go back to the top. You just hit the download now button. It will download here, and then you just click and then set it up, and then follow the prompts, and then it's just that quick. Now I'm going to show you each part that actually helps, and I'm going to go a little bit off topic on this one because I want to actually talk about this a little bit. So basically you can change your microphone settings, which I already have right now. Noise removal and room echo removal. This one's kind of janky a little bit, but I definitely love the noise removal. It actually really helps. But this one's kind of janky a little bit. Not really much I could do about it, but it's fine. You just click whatever microphone you're using. I'm actually using a Walmart brand one, at least until I can upgrade mine, hopefully soon enough. And then you go to your speakers, and I use the device default, which is these headsets right here. Have noise removal, room echo removal. They both work in a way, and it actually really works, because these already sound good in general, but these actually enhance it. And now we get to the part that we were supposed to be talking about, but I waited until now to tell you about. It's called the camera, and there it is. So what you would do is you can choose different effects that you have right here. You got background blur. I don't like that. But you can always change the settings to really blur out that background, because I don't like my background. I'm not going to use that. Then background replacement. I have it set to this, but I'll show you how to change it here in a moment. And then background blur. And there's no green screen, as you saw behind me. Background replacement. You just click whatever photo you want to use as your background. As you can see, I have it right here on my camera, as you can see on my screen. But I prefer the background removal, so there's no background behind me. It will be a little bit on the janky side, but as long as you leave it on quality, it'll look good. You can always do performance if you want to enhance your cameras, but sometimes that gets a little janky. Either way, it works. So like I said, it is a very fast, easy, and simple process. I'll be sure to include links in the description below so you can be able to find these. And then just watch this video and you'll see how it works. Awesome. Okay, so as you can see here, we're on my OBS, and if you're wondering how I can get something like this, well, I already did a video about that previously. I'll have a link in the description below, and you can watch that video and see how it works. Anyway, let's go ahead and do this. So we're actually going to get rid of this, just so I can show you how it works. So what you do is hit the plus, video capture device. We're gonna change it to Webcam 2, because I already have webcam right there. Okay, so use whatever webcam you're using. I'm not going to use this one, even though I have different ones. This one is happen to be connected with my phone. I'll make another video about that at some point later on in the future. But what you want to do is go to camera, NVIDIA broadcasts. And there it is. As you can see here, it kind of did this a little bit for me. So what you want to do is actually you want to change it to custom. It's going to get rid of your camera for a second, but if you follow through with the settings you have right here, I have mine set to 1080p at 60 FPS. So you want to change the resolution to 920 by 1080. And max output FPS, I have mine set to 60. It'll lag for a second, but it'll fix itself. And then everything else you can just leave alone. And then you just set it the way you want to. Whee! There it is. It is that easy. Hopefully this fast and easy video helps you be able to figure out how you're going to change your background, how you can have a no background without a green screen. So if you could, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that way you know more about future videos. And hopefully I'll bring some more tutorials to hopefully make it a lot easier for you guys to be able to start recording or live streaming, whatever you want to do. This is Michael here, signing out. Peace.